Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am at Jacqueline Pittman's house here in Covington, Georgia. I'm currently standing on the front porch slope. Today we're here to remove a damaged shingle and we're going to replace it with a new one. We're going to let you guys follow along during that process. We've already been out here to do a repair attempt, which it did fail. This roof is very large in size, not very ventilated. You got some box vents up here. You got some widespread wind damage, older roof, very brittle, as you can tell by shingle conditions. It's just tripped. But like I said, we're going to be removing this shingle right here, damaged by wind. Here is a condition shot before we start. And I did this repair attempt while your technician was still on the roof with me, so he obviously saw me do that. But we'll let you guys follow along during this process. We're gonna put a new shingle in when we're done. Here's the damaged shingle. Tab ends right here, guys. You can see it. That's why I knew it was these 3 tabs. I can hear the granules popping off already, guys, just from this little bit of manipulation. Same with the chalk and granules running down. Just one more. Usually there's one right here, but damaged shingle has been removed. Let's take a little update here. As you can see, guys, there's already some damage happening on these shingles. A little bit more there. But as you can tell, like I said, I could hear these granules coming off. There's a bunch of loose granules at the top of these, but we'll continue the repair. Just wanted to point that out. They're in the middle of it. Alrighty, guys, new shingle in place. here we are. Like I said, guys, you got a bunch of loose granules that you can see have already fallen off during this repair, as well as some on this level as well. Now, these are unaffected shingles over here that have no loose granules. For video purposes, next rain, windstorm, anything we get is going to knock these loose granules off. So like I said, I'm going to gently rub my hand across these, barely touching these shingles, and you can see all the loose granules that have now fallen off these shingles and left them susceptible to leaks, to being blown off. But I'll go ahead and chalk these up for you guys, so that way you guys can get a better look, just in case the quality of the video is not the best. Thank you guys for your consideration.